Hi again, my nice and wonderful people. This is Chef Camber. Welcome again to my channel. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe, comment, share, give the videos a thumbs up. Okay. Well, today, guys, what I have on the menu today is sweet potato. So I'm gonna start so I can show you guys what I'm about to do with it. Alright. Okay guys, here I have my sweet potatoes. So I boil them, cool them, and now I'm gonna crush them. After I crush my sweet potatoes, I'm gonna add some scallion. Then I'm gonna mix that in, blend that in. After I blend that in, nice and beautiful, then I'm gonna add a bit of flour. Not much, guys, not much. It's not about the flour, it's about the sweet potato. So the flour is to help combine the ingredients. So just a small amount. Then I'm gonna add a bit of baking powder. And mix that in nice and beautiful. Add a bit of water. Not much. Mix that in till it becomes nice and soft. So now I'm gonna add a bit of oil to my pan. Okay. Turn down the gas a bit. Okay. Get it nice and flat, guys. Okay, guys. Nice and smooth. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this for a while on a low fire. So this is what I'm gonna use my topping. I have sweet corn, I have sachets there, eggs, and then I have sweet pepper. So that's my topping. So I'm gonna whip my egg out. I'm gonna put a bit of seasoning salt on it. It's a small amount. Okay. Add my corn. Nice and beautiful. And my sachets. Pepper. Very beautiful. Then my egg. Okay guys, then I'm gonna cover for a while before I turn. So I'm ready to turn now. So guys, I grease my plate so I can have this thing turn easily. Okay guys, so this is my sweet potato recipe. Please to like, share, comment, let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much guys for watching.